1 year ago, on 24th January 2025, which coincided with the International Day of Education, Tawazon launched its broadcasts in Pashto, Dari, and English through its website, social media platforms, and YouTube.
دا ځل د افغانستان لپاره یو بشپړ متوازن غږ په تبعید کې او په افغانستان کې دننه زموږ پیاوړی او مسلکي ټیم به په پلازمینې او ولایتونو کې د خلکو له منځه کره او متوازن اطلاعات پر وخت او بې پرې توګه تر تاسو درورسوي.
Tawazon is an independent media outlet founded and managed by a professional team of Afghan journalists in exile. In a short period of time, it has found a meaningful place among Afghan media operating in exile. Tawazon is based in Paris, France, with journalists working from Afghanistan, India, Pakistan, Europe, and United States. Tawazon began its work with very limited resources, but despite challenges, its team continues to work with strong commitment and on volunteer basis, striving to uphold professional journalistic standards and provide reliable information.
After the Taliban returned to power in Afghanistan, many media outlets were shut down and thousands of journalists were forced to leave the country. We are a group of professional journalists with years of experience in journalism. With a strong commitment and determination, we launched Tawazon. Our goal was to work for the survival of freedom of expression because the media still operating inside Afghanistan face heavy censorship. Our work strictly follows professional journalistic principles and standards, and we do not go even one step beyond them. We are not affiliated with any group. We simply convey every fact and truth to the people, regardless of who it concerns or which group it relates to.
Around 70% of Tawazon's editorial coverage is dedicated to human rights. Over the past year, the outlet has published more than 5,000 news stories, reports, and analyses in Dari, Pashto, and English. Around 3,000 of them focused on human rights. To mark its first anniversary, Tawazon received messages from its audience who have shared their views on the outlet's work and its impact on society.
As a woman and a human rights activist, I deeply appreciate Tawazon's responsible and committed role. Over the past year, in the most difficult situations, Tawazon has stood alongside the people while remaining faithful to professional journalistic principles. This media outlet has honestly reflected the pain, hopes, and realities of society and has been able to responsibly and consciously amplify the voices of the people.
Based on our observations over the past year, Tawazon's publications have been professional in terms of quality, and its approach to different issues has been specialized and responsible. In just 1 year, Tawazon has effectively reflected the voices of marginalized communities and oppressed people who are often ignored by other media. It has also conveyed the voices of Afghan migrants and citizens abroad who face various challenges, bringing their concerns to audiences and the international community.
I extend my sincere gratitude and appreciation to Tawazon Media for its efforts over the past year. Despite the most difficult and complex conditions, this outlet has worked with commitment, responsibility, and adherence to professional media principles. Tawazon has succeeded in conveying the truth and the realities of society, especially the silenced and unheard voices of Afghan women, to audiences and the world, shining bravely and successfully on the path of awareness and truth-telling.
Tawazon currently has 22 team members, including provincial reporters. Some of them work full-time while others contribute as freelancers. Around 70% of Tawazon's audience is inside Afghanistan, while rest based in the region, Middle East, and Western countries.
Tawazon is a committed and well-coordinated team because our will is strong. We are committed to our homeland and to our people, to be their voices and to reflect realities. There is strong coordination among us. When we work, we do not wait for one another. Whenever an issue exists, we publish it.
In addition to its website and social media, Tawazon has launched its news website. Stories that go beyond special interviews, features, news and reports, telling the untold and rarely seen stories from the lives of Afghans living in different parts of Afghanistan and around the world. With human-centric and narrative-driven approach, they shed light on the untold and hidden realities of the society.